Hi guys, Valen here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add those plain white text effects like Emma. So the three apps you're going to be needing are Fonto, iMovie and Eraser. Go into Fonto and create a new project. Go into plain images, hit the white canvas and then just make the background blue or green. I don't really prefer the blue, I just prefer green. It's a lot easier, and blue would be a little bit have more troubles with. So then just add text, and I prefer adding just a plain white and a plain one because Emma uses that one as well. So you can make it however you like. I'm just doing it how Emma does it because it's a series on how to edit like Emma Chamberlain. So then once I was figuring out how I liked it, I just changed the size and then I just saved the image to my camera roll. I then went into Eraser and I pressed the image button on the top, then I imported the photo of the green screen. I then went to target area and removed all the background out of all my letters and the background. Once I was happy with that, I just saved the image and then I went to iMovie and I put it over the clip that I want to have the text. So I just went to Moments and I imported the white image, not the green one, just the white one. And then I did picture in picture. So it then went over a couple of clips, but then I just resized it. So using the three tools on the side, I used the middle one and I was readjusting where I wanted it in the sizing. It's okay if it goes black because it just means it's a PNG image. So I just resized it here, and you can make it as small as you want, as long as you want, as long as you're happy with it. That's all that matters. And once I liked where it was, I kind of just resized it again just to make sure it was obvious. And I think that this was pretty close to what Emma does because she does use, I think, Final Cut Pro. So it was pretty close. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to email me if you would like any custom made intros, etc. and I'll be there to help. I hope you guys enjoyed.